Just said I'm gonna just introduce myself with nothing.
Yeah. Can we land
Your
here?
man is there.
Alan, have you seen on the train where you can get unlimited recons
Alright. The train.
on the train? So if you get a recon in the train, it's in the middle.
Yeah.
The
No, no,
recons
yeah.
on the train, and you can do them. When you finish one, you have to wait a minute. We did about, how many did we do more? About 10?
7, 8.
Seven on bounce.
Okay, I didn't know about that one. You mean that recon?
Another low.
Yeah, so it constantly comes back. After you've done one, you leave it a minute, it comes back. Guys.
No way again.
Wait, I need to reload.
I'm down. What the fuck? Fucking hell, what's going on? Well played.
Oh, still one here. Allez! Oh, lemon! Oh!
Wait,
Oh, he's got me! He's got a shotgun!
he's got my shells right now on him. Wait.
Alan's on fire! Go on, brother.
So we secure this one.
Need a gun.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then you leave it a minute and you go back to the middle and you get another one. Or we get shot at.
Wait. Now he's getting shot.
I've no gun, sorry Alan.
I only have a pistol and SMG.
I've got a pistol.
Here,
You're right.
here. You can have.
Whoa,
You can have.
Big shot, a big shot.
There's a weapon here.
Yeah, I'm waiting in a second.
Okay. Okay.
Aim on can take
Wait.
that.
Wait. I'm gonna drop it for you.
That's okay. There's still boxes left now.
On here. Shit.
I can drop this one for you. Here.
This is not normal.
Chips.
This wasn't like that last games. No.
I need to refill the. Okay, let's check the rest of the train. Because there is another box here at the end. It's open right now, so no more boxes. So what now? What do we do?
Right, hold on. Right, go again. To the back.
Right, coming. Is this a glitch or is it like that? Is it supposed to?
No.
No, it's a thing. I don't know, mate, but it happens.
No, it's new. It's new.
Yeah, it's new. So we just keep getting these.
Yeah, and you get the ring. Yeah, I know.
I know you know, Alan, your little dream.
Okay, now we wait a bit again.
Yeah, hold on. Well, we need to wait a minute and then.
Oh, no, fuck. I'll come back with a car or something, guys.
You need to get in front of it so you can drop onto it.
Okay.
Look at these guys. Does it come back?
I'll come back. I'll take a.
So it's nice. Okay, I'm gonna grab a pistol, better than the fists. I'm low ammo. That's the problem.
Go again, boys. We go again.
Ah. They're coming. This is awesome.
Ingmar, where are you? Where's
I'm
Ingmar?
coming, I fell down.
Yeah, it's going that
Yeah.
way, that way, to the yellow.
Right, one more. One more.
Okay.
We actually did. A circle were well small, Alan.
Yeah, but now you know. Okay, it's going towards that area. So
No, I mean, I think we literally did get about 7.
yeah,
Yeah,
you
we-
don't
we-
need to
we
know
got
the
two
exact
last
last one.
ones.
I think.
No, we know all of them. The last one.
Yeah, we did actually. I just did it in the wagon. Hey, still taking car along with us, Ingmar.
Yep, but
Look at it.
watch out, it's gonna blow.
Yeah. Where is it? Oh, it's in the back.
So yeah.
Right, we'll be faster this way. Okay, the first circle is about to close. Okay.
We got time.
Okay,
We got
it's
time
there.
still here. We got time. We can do another one.
We're getting another.
There's a chopper coming.
I've took her armor. I've took their armor.
Okay, you have SMG ammo. I'm out.
SMG, eh?
Yeah. Thank you. Yeah, the other day a guy did the Easter egg from that bank, and now I got a new Bruin, an orange one.
Yeah, I've got it.
Yeah.
I've got it. Yeah.
He knew how to do it. Actually, I didn't.
I don't use it like that. But
Yeah, but it's okay to have it. So where is
Yeah.
the recon?
Oh, then I'll
Oh,
get it.
new
Oh,
one.
Ingmar's got it.
Okay.
So after this one, we can do one more.
Hey, Alan, you'll have to put this on your stream, lad.
Yeah. I think I'm recording. Yeah. Because sometimes it bugs and I can't record it. I lose the footage. But I hope this one is okay.
Let's jump off at the loadout and then take
Uh,
the car or something.
Okay.
Jump off, grab it.
Yeah, and then
jump
go
back
to
on
the,
track.
the shop. No, the shop.
Oh, sweet. That were perfect, boys.
Ah! Am I dead or what?
We're going back.
No, I'm dead. I don't know why. I jumped into the train. I'm dead.
Yeah, get off. I'm
No,
back.
I'm at the gulag. I'm at the
Get off,
gulag.
jump
I'm
off.
I'm
Yeah,
at the gulag.
Jump off, Carl, jump off.
I don't know why.
There's a
jump
power
off.
station coming up.
Okay, I'm coming back.
Get the car.
Oh, it's come off train because we're all not on.
Nice.
Shit, right, I'm coming off.
What happened?
Alan.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Alan,
it's
you're-
right.
Oh, there's
Because we're all
enemy
not
at-
on. We all have to be on the train.
Okay, you have a guy there.
one. Yeah, I killed him.
Where?
There.
The loadout. Where your stuff is, Alan, come back.
Is there a guy on me, Alan, did you say? Or Ingmar?
Wait.
Oh, I've seen him.
Because I only have
killed
the
him.
pistol.
Okay. Yes, come here. Alan, all your stuff is still here.
Okay.
There's another guy over there.
Yeah, I see him.
Team wipe.
Well done.
Where is he?
Dead. Team wipe.
Go on, Ingmar, you little drake. Hey, look at you boys go! Go on!
I don't know what
I've not
happened.
even
here.
seen anyone.
I just jumped into the train and suddenly I was in the gulag. I don't know why.
I think you must have been run over, bro. I don't know how.
No, not my stuff here. Okay. Ah, it's here.
Yeah, there's enough stuff.
Righty.
Let's finish this the
recon.
recon and
Yeah.
then we and then
I've
we
got a
take the
sniper
car.
on me.
Yeah. No, let them.
There's a
Oh
sniper.
shit! They're over by that on the red ping. Shit!
Car come to us. Could have taken a car.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Recon intel secured.
I need some plates, boys. If you've got any spare.
Yeah.
I've got
At the
that,
loadout you have a lot.
I've got
At
that.
the loadout you have a lot.
Yes.
But like,
Yeah, but
yeah.
even at the
Fire
shop we have
station.
no.
Yeah,
Look at
yeah,
our money. Look at our money.
I have 8. I can give you. I will buy
No, you're right, pal. I've got one on.
I'm gonna buy a loadout for the ghost.
Yeah, I've got it. I've got it.
Friendly loadout drop on the way.
Buy self
They're coming behind
revives.
us.
Yeah.
Requesting recon
We need
trials.
Terry up, boys.
UAV entering the AO. Be advised, friendly
Yeah, they're coming. They're coming.
inbound.
Oh, they are as well.
Oh, down. Oh, go. On the self-resting. There's the last guy here.
It's two. Down one.
There's one behind. There's one
It's a
behind.
Portuguese guy. Sorry.
Yeah, long shot.
Well done, boys. Have we got him?
Yeah.
They're all dead. Oh, I love this precision shit.
Yeah.
Satchel.
Yeah, I had to kill a Portuguese guy, fellow mate. Oh, sorry.
Need a satchel. Satchel.
Yeah, I have. I need a gas mask.
You can buy one.
Yeah, yeah.
Money. 12,000.
Wait.
Good
So-
job.
Friendly UAV overhead.
I'm going to get a self-revive, boys.
Yeah.
Oh, I'll tell you what. Come here. Do you need help, Ingmar? Drop my money.
What? I got.
Drop my money. Right, what's plan of attack here? Where do you think we need to keep moving? We need to get to the middle. Look at how small circle is.
Ah, there's a guy at green.
okay.
Let's go. He's in the open. He's coming towards us.
It's coming. He's in air. He's in air.
Yup, he's dropped.
He's going. He's going into the field. He's going to get his
Yeah, he's
weapons.
there. He's there.
Where we killed him.
You think so? Oh, the guy. Oh, yeah. He's there. I cracked his shields.
Where is that? Where is that?
Here, man.
Sorry, boys.
Behind you.
Contact.
Got him?
Closing in. Relocating the safe zone.
Where is it? Another team.
Yeah.
I think
just
we
shot
have.
the guys
Yeah, I
from,
think we
Right.
have people
Let's
on
get.
the left.
Let's get to this car, boys. If we get to this car, we could drive to Midlet Circle. What do you think?
Yeah, it's fine.
Where's Midlet Circle? Oh, it's in a building. It's there. Get there, boys. We've got a good chance. In. I'm in.
Is everybody in? Okay.
No. Yeah, keep going. So, blue pink. Go to blue pink. That's right in Midlet Circle. Come on. Hopefully we can get there.
I'm worried because we don't have the trophy, but it's okay. Oh.